Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? This is live price prediction of Cardano. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you every single day. Okay, guys, come to the point. Let's get start a video without wasting any time. So, guys, you can watch this as the last 1 hour live price prediction. So you can see here as the graph result as absolutely going upward and the last hour, but again they can start dumping. You can see here they start dumping slowly. So this is very bad, but if you can see here the change is absolutely good, not bad, guys. If you're a holder, then this is good, not bad. You can see here as 0 plus 0.08%, absolutely very good, not bad. Okay, so you can see here the price of latest price. This is the latest price of Cardano coin as 1.2 US dollars. So this is absolutely goes down. If you can check out the last 1 day, let's see, check it out the last this day. Okay, so let's last 3-day result. You can see here the price of one Cardano coin is 1.22 US, and this time the last hour as the price of one Cardano coin is 1.2, but here as the 1.222 US dollar. Absolutely, this is good, and there goes down. But if you can see here this time in the graph result, the graph result is going upward. So this is absolutely like a rocket going. So that's the good news for Cardano holder. So please like video if you enjoy this video. This is absolutely good. Just buy Cardano coins, don't sell it. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.